In today's video, we will see the best 5 reciprocating saw, which will make your cutting work easier, faster, and more effective. These are not only strong, but also fit your budget perfectly. Let's see one by one which ones might be best for you. Item number 5, introducing the rechargeable cordless reciprocating saw, a powerful and versatile tool designed for all your cutting needs. With a sleek blue design, this saw operates on a rechargeable 18-volt Li-ion battery compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries. It features a no-load speed of 0 to 4,000 RPM, ensuring quick and efficient cuts through a variety of materials. With a stroke length of 10 millimeters, this saw delivers precise cuts. It can cut up to 2 millimeters deep in metal, 0 to 300 millimeters in wood, and 100 millimeters in plastic. Item number 4, introducing the powerful reciprocating saw, a must-have tool for all your cutting needs. This sleek blue saw is designed to work with Makita 18-volt batteries, offering excellent compatibility and performance. With an impressive stroke speed of 0 to 12,000 SPM, it delivers fast and efficient cuts through various materials. This tool comes with a high-capacity 20900 mAh lithium-ion battery, and for even longer usage, you can opt for the dual 2x22900 mAh battery setup. The 588 VF battery ensures a reliable, long-lasting power source, so you can work longer without interruption. Item number 3, introducing the electric reciprocating saw, a powerful tool designed for precision and efficiency. With an 18-volt voltage and 3,000 watts power, this saw is equipped with a brushless motor for maximum durability and performance. It features a no-load speed of 0 to 3,000 RPM force min, providing quick and smooth cuts. The saw offers impressive cutting depths, including 20 millimeters for metal, 100 millimeters for wood, and 50 millimeters for plastic, making it versatile for a range of materials. It's compatible with 388-volt F or Makita batteries, ensuring long-lasting power for your projects. Item number 2, introducing the powerful reciprocating saw with a 3,000-watt motor designed for heavy-duty cutting tasks. Featuring a 32mm stroke length, 1¼ inch, and a stroke speed of 0 to 1000 SPM, it delivers fast and efficient cuts through a variety of materials. This saw can cut 130mm pipes, 255mm wood, and more, making it highly versatile. The vibration levels are 16.5 meters per second for cutting plates and 15.5 meters per second for wooden beams, ensuring comfort during use. It also operates at a sound pressure level of 84 and a sound power level of 95 dB. Item number 1, introducing the ONEVAN reciprocating saw, a high-power tool built for efficiency and precision. With a 3,600-watt motor and a stroke speed of 0 to 12,000 SPM, this saw is designed to handle tough cutting tasks with ease. The 15mm stroke length ensures smooth and fast cuts through various materials. Equipped with a 22900 mAh battery, 1PC, 588-volt F, this saw offers long-lasting power with optional battery sets for your convenience: 2 battery set, 1 battery set, or no battery set.